So today in the workshop we've got a 2010 T5.1, I think it is, just the 2 litre CA engine. Unfortunately the customer was missold, so they were told it's a PD140. That's what it was sold to them as. Just a elderly couple buying their dream van, so they thought, turned into a nightmare. And what I mean by that is, it's torching there, hang on. Where are we? 2 seconds. CFCA. And unfortunately, it is the one with the twin turbo, not the single turbo. And in addition to that, these are known for piston rings and turbo failure. And that's exactly what's happened. We've taken just to isolate EGR, we took the EGR off. We blanked the EGR as well. We took turbo inlet off to make sure the turbo's all good. And yeah, I'll show you what happens now. So we're on 97,500 miles. First start that has been sat for a week, but doesn't matter how long it sits for. Bit of a not a struggle to start, but a long start. Puff of smoke comes out the back. And any throttle. She's burning oil, unfortunately. Either valves or piston rings. Nevertheless, it's an engine out job, and we're putting a rebuilt engine in it. So job starts today. I'll keep videos and photos, stitch more together, and fingers crossed it goes. Stinks. Fingers crossed it goes smoothly.